Hi friends, today let's look at a simple way of making a chicken biryani, a Pune or Mumbai style. With cook?
Anybody can cook.
Subscribe and press the bell icon. Now what makes these kind of biryanis different is the addition of extra masala, which makes it a little more tastier. Now to begin the process, take 1 kg chicken, cleaned and cut into pieces. To this, add about 1 teaspoon salt. Now add 2 tablespoons Kashmiri chili powder. Two tablespoons coriander powder. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Two tablespoons any chicken biryani masala powder. Two tablespoons any chicken masala powder. 2 tablespoons any meat masala powder. Half teaspoon pepper powder. 1½ tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon lime juice. Now mix it well. Depending on your preference, you can add 1 or 2 small chopped potatoes. Now add a handful of chopped coriander, a handful of mint leaves, a handful of fried onions, and again mix it well. To this, add about 5 tablespoons of oil. Here, we've used the same oil in which we have fried the onions. It has a wonderful onion-like taste. Now mix this once again well. To this, add about 5 tablespoons curds. Mix it well once again. Take some time to mix this with your hands until you can see the color change till it is roughly brownish in color. Now add 1 pinch of saffron and 1 teaspoon ghee or clarified butter. Now mix it well once again and let it rest. Now in a small vessel, heat 1/3 cup of milk. To this, add a pinch of saffron. Stir it a bit and let it boil. Once heated, set it aside and let the saffron infuse in the milk. Now for the rice. In a large vessel, heat about 1 liter of water. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. add 1 bay leaf. Now add about 2 to 3 cloves. Add 1 inch cinnamon. Now add 3 to 4 cardamoms. Add 4 to 5 peppercorns. 2 to 3 twigs of mint leaves. Now cover and keep this until the water comes to a roaring boil. Once the water begins to boil, add 3 teaspoons salt. After you've added the salt, add a little oil too. To this, add the soaked basmati rice. Now we have soaked the basmati rice for about 15 to 20 minutes. The rice until it is 80% ready. Do not cook it 100% at this stage. To check, you can press it a little bit. It should not be soft, yet not hard. Once it's ready to about 80%, you can strain it and keep it aside. Now for cooking the masala. In a large vessel, add oil. Here again we are using the same oil in which we fried the onions. To this, add an inch of cinnamon, 1 star anise, 4 peppercorns, 5 elaichis, 2 cloves and begin to stir it a bit. Now to this, add about 3 medium-sized, finely chopped onions. Let it fry until it turns golden brown. Now add about 3 medium-sized, finely chopped tomatoes and stir it until the tomatoes soften. Now add the salt as per your taste. Now stir this a bit and cover and keep it and let it cook. Once it cooks for just a little while, switch off the fire and let it rest. To this, we will now add the entire marinated chicken with the masala. Move it around a bit so that it fits evenly around the large vessel. Now you might have some leftover marination. do not throw it. Add a little bit of water to it and add that to the masala in the vessel. Now stir it a bit so that it loosens up and spreads around the large vessel. To this, add the first layer of 80% cooked rice. Now add the caterer milk, a little bit of oil, a handful of fried onions laid out all over this layer. To this, sprinkle a little bit of chopped mint and coriander leaves too. Now add the second layer of the 80% cooked rice. Repeat the entire process of adding the saffron milk, onion oil, fried onions, and chopped mint and coriander leaves. To this, add a nice chunk of ghee or butter and spread it out evenly around the vessel. Now cover the vessel and load it with weight so that it cooks like dum. Keep the fire on fast for 15 minutes and on very low for about 10 minutes. Here, as you can see, the biryani is ready to serve. Enjoy it! Subscribe for more interesting and easy recipes.